Welcome to day number 24. My name is Nathan Ziegler, the upper school principal at Hope Academy. Today's special guest is Mr. Clater. He's our Latin teacher and also teaches a 9th grade class. He's going to be teaching us how to make banana pancakes.
Special guest with Mr. Z.
Good morning, Hope Academy students. I am going to take you really quickly through how to make a breakfast, some banana pancakes. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure our hands are washed, which I had done right before the video. I'm going to go ahead and add the bananas in. And then with the eggs, you can go ahead and crack the egg right in to the blender. Now that our liquid batter has been made, the bananas and the eggs, we're going to go ahead and add some coconut flour. So if we're doing that, you can add things that you want to flavor it. So I like cinnamon, so have some vanilla, put it in. So what we end up with is something like this batter. Now it's a little bit too thick. So what we're going to do is just add a little bit of milk. Now we're going to put our batter on after making a few adjustments. Alright, as we can see, the bubbles have started to form at the top. So we're going to try very carefully to flip these over. We're going to go ahead and grab this, put it on over on our plate with all the other ones. There are a few mess ups from earlier. I like pancakes with peanut butter. Other than that, enjoy your breakfast. Hopefully you give it a try with your appropriate supervision. And let me know how it turns out. Miss you guys. We'll see you hopefully soon.
Actually, I've never tried to make banana pancakes before. I think the special ingredient that I would use would be chocolate chips. Thank you, Mr. Clater. Today's dad jokes are from Hope Academy student Zeke. Why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself? It was too tired. Why do melons have weddings? Because they cantaloupe. And did you hear the rumor about butter? Well, I'm not going to spread it. Yesterday's challenge was to take a playing card and to cut a hole in it so that you can put it around your head. First, fold the card in half. Start the first cut on the fold toward the outer part of the card. Rotate the card back and forth, making alternating cuts. Make sure the last cut also starts on the fold and goes to the outside. Unfold the card. Now carefully, don't cut the first section, but cut all the rest of the sections except for the last section as well. Now unstretch the card and put it over your head. There we go. For today's brain teaser, you're going to take 3 glasses or cups. In exactly 3 moves, you're going to flip over glasses 2 at a time until all 3 are face down. So obviously that didn't work this time, but you also need to make sure that each cup is flipped at least once. Today we've got a special segment for you. Have you ever wondered what your teachers are up to when they're not teaching you? Well, a lot of us have kids and enjoy spending time with them. Mr. Crowell is going to show us what he's been up to these days.
It'll just be like...
Today's word of encouragement comes from the very last book of the Bible, the book of Revelation, chapter 21, verse 4. John had a vision of heaven, and this is what he described it as. And this is talking about God. He will wipe away every tear from their eyes, and death shall be no more, neither shall there be mourning, nor crying, nor pain anymore, for the former things have passed away. Isn't that great news? That whatever we're suffering, whatever we're going through now, we have better days to look forward to an eternity in heaven. I hope that encourages you today.